Hi guys, welcome back. And in today's video, we are checking out Womp Spark, the brand new AI assistant built inside Womp3D that helps you in creating images and 3D models. Also, you can use Womp Spark as your assistant to help you out in queries related to 3D and queries related to Womp. So head towards the Womp website and on the home page where it says make incredible things. So this is the section where you write your prompt and it will generate you images and your 3D models. Also, here in the left side menu, the third option is Spark, so you can access Spark from here also. So basically how Womp Spark works is it gives you 300 daily credits that refreshes every midnight, and you can see them here right beside your profile icon where it says 0%. So when you click here, it shows you a summary and how many credits you have used. Also, when you click here on check usage, so it shows you a detailed info about which model was used for creation and how many credits were used. Also, when you click here on purchase credits, so as you can see here, for $3 it is giving you 3000 credits and also showing you how much generation you can do from these. Now we will be generating our first image using Womp Spark. So head towards the Spark section and here we will be writing a prompt. And here by clicking this icon, you can attach some media if you want. And also when you click this section, so basically this gives you some option for choosing different models for images and 3D. So for image model, as you can see here are many models, but most of them are paid. As you can see, it has a crown in front of it. So I will choose auto for image. And for 3D optimized images, I would recommend you keeping it on, as in future if you want any of your generation to be in 3D, so this will help you out in that. Also for 3D, as you can see, there are many models, but there is one this trellis 3D, so I will go with this one. So I have a prompt ready, so feel free to choose yours. Macro image close up view of a glass skull filled with colorful flowers. The skull is slightly turned to the left and looking up a little. Simple pastel background. Let's see what Womp Spark generates. So as you can see, I have given a prompt. So you can use ChatGPT for prompts. The generation is being started. So this can take a few seconds for generation. So as you can see, it has used this flux model and it is generating our image. And there you go. See how good this came out. So as you can see here, after this generation, so 20 credits were used for this generation. So now we will be generating another image, and after generating that image, we will also make a 3D out of that. So let's use our second prompt. Cute isometric 3D icon of a pastel mint green cactus with subtle smiling features designed in clay texture, soft lighting highlights the shape, set against a pale cream background, composition with no branding. Let's see what Womp Spark generates. Again, it's thinking. So as you can see, it has created this cute cactus in an isometric way. So now we will make a 3D out of this. So as you can see here, there are few options from your generation. So you can download your image or you can upscale the image, and the third option is make 3D. So we will click this icon. See, so it has gave this prompt, generate 3D model from the attached image. So now it will be generating a 3D model, and you can see here it has used the trellis 3D model that we selected while giving a prompt. Also, this is a free model, so it automatically picks up this one. Let's see. As you can see, it has gave us this model, but it's not perfect. As you can see, it has messed up his eyes and also here in front. So at this point, it's not perfect, but yeah, it roughly does the job. So here you can download the mesh. So basically it downloads this as a GLB file, so which you can import in your Womp projects. Also, you can see here our credits being updated. So till now we have used 60 credits. So next we will be using Womp Spark as our assistant. So let's assume that I want to know how Goop works in Womp. So by giving it a prompt, explain me what is Goop in Womp, as you were explaining to someone beginner to 3D. So as you can see, we can give Womp Spark some text. So basically this text doesn't count as a credit, so you can chat with Womp Spark, so it doesn't cost you any credits. The credits are cost for generation that you do, that are images and 3D models. So as you can see, it is saying Goop in Womp special feature for making objects blend together smoothly like digital clay. So basically it is explaining you how Goop works in Womp. And also here is this history option. When you click here, basically it shows you all your past generation. So yeah, there you go. That's how you use Womp Spark for generating images, 3D model generation, and using Womp Spark as your assistant for solving your queries related to 3D. I hope this video was useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.